Hi, to Mr. Burgess, Hanson, Interim City Manager, Mayor Nolan, Vice Mayor Miller, Commissioners Portier, Popelski, and Gantz. My name is Anthony Davis, and I live at 336 Northwest 7th Court. I'm here tonight to present a serious concern about your decision to stop processing invoices for the Byrne JAG Grant for the Church of Brotherly Love King's Table Corporation, doing business as Brotherly Love Social Service. I was notified at approximately 4:30 p.m. yesterday, May 3rd, 2010, by Mr. Jerry Ferguson that he and his department had been given a directive from the city manager's office to cease the processing of invoices for our agency. Perhaps not all things were considered when this decision was made, and so I would like to present my side of the equation as it relates to the city deciding to not fulfill its obligation of Resolution 2009-254, which provides for you to be our fiscal agent, and the Memorandum of Understanding dated October 6, 2009, of which I have a copy of both for your review. You agreed. The MOU was with Brotherly Love Social Service, but also the MOU included in the MOU was the American Recovery and Reinvesting Funding, aka the Stimulus Funding Act. You agreed to preside as the fiscal agent for 1 full year. However, there is a clause in Section 4 of the MOU that allows for either party to withdraw. The withdrawal requires a 30-day notification, which is what I am here to request from you at this time. I am requesting that during this 30-day notification that all current invoices ending April 30th, 2010 be paid in full, and during this 30-day notification we will seek another unit of government to complete this fiscal year. If you choose not to grant the 30-day notification, here are some of the resulting problems. Nearly 400 youth will no longer receive our mentoring and prevention services. 4 public schools, including Deerfield Middle, Deerfield High, Park Ridge Elementary, and Cypress Run Education, will be without our partnership in helping to prevent violence and substance abuse among their students. There will be 10 employees and their families to be affected. 9 of those families are Deerfield residents. There will be 4 other agencies which we hire to perform the services will also lose valuable experience in learning how to manage grant funds. 3 of these agencies are Deerfield-based nonprofits. If we are unable to attain another fiscal agent, the funding will have to be returned to the federal agency from which it came, with an explanation of why those funds were returned. If you are choosing to no longer do business with Brotherly Love Social Service, you will also have to renege on the contract you currently have with us to provide social skills services at the Westside Park after school camp for your grant with Children's Services Council, which at that point would cause the city to be out of compliance with those grant requirements. It is my hope and my desire that we be allowed to continue doing business under the current MOU until it runs out on September 30th, 2010. I believe we have at least earned the opportunity to be given the 30-day notice and have all current invoices paid in full. We have been working diligently and honorably with this city for the past 25 years, and we have never given this body a reason to distrust our integrity. In light of the current issues being alleged, I believe the law says we are innocent until proven guilty. Not only have we not been proven guilty of breaking any laws, but we have not as much been given even a charge of any wrongdoing. So I ask of you to live up to the current MOU and the current contract you have with Brotherly Love Social